Again, there's that metal flashing we saw on the other roof. We're on the roof. On this roof area, this would be typically called a built-up or built-up painted roof. The roof will be painted later with a white or a silver roof coating to seal off the flashing areas. And the flashing areas would be these areas around these pipes, or the combustion air vent here, or the sewer vent, which we see at this location. On the roof itself, we have a parapet wall. That's this area here coming across. Here's our roof drain, which we saw on the other side. And this roof actually looks very good at this time. You can see a few footprints there, but water drainage is very, very good. No ponding water at this time.
Again, the mineral surface roof area, which we can see the crazing and cracking in the surface itself. And we can see new tar here. Now the tar itself is black, which would indicate it's fairly new within the last maybe year. If it were bleached gray, it would indicate an older patch. And it's also black because it's rained, and but we already know that it's black because we were here earlier, so we're sort of cheating. We can see other patching done here, which would indicate both of these roof areas have been leaking around these roof jacks for the ductwork itself. Now we're going to scan up here onto the tile roof of the house, and we have a couple different tiles that have been installed in this house. This is a mission tile. It's a clay tile. It's solid all the way through. These here have striations in them because they tried to make them look like a handmade tile. These were made by a machine or an extruder, and then they were fired. Now this roof was installed in the 30s, 1936 approximately, and is original and has had some repairs done in the past. As we go up onto the roof itself, typically you would not walk on this type of roof. I don't weigh very much, so we don't have a problem. We can see here the concrete itself was dyed originally with red coloring, which would have probably been the original. As we go over here, we see new concrete, which indicates that cap has been replaced or repairs have been done. This type of roof has a 40 to 50 year lifespan. The tile itself never goes bad, but the tar paper underneath it does deteriorate with time, and then your roof would leak. We're on top of the built-up roof area, or this would typically be called 90-pound roofing. We can see that the roofing material itself here is cracked and checked along the front surface, and the material also has some crazing marks in it, would indicate a roof of approximately 9 to 10 years old. This roof should be recoated or possibly replaced due to its age and condition at this time. On the interior, we can see signs of leakage around the drainage area. Over in this area here, we have a drain. We're over the bedroom area. The bedroom does show signs of water seepage through this drain area on the ceiling, and also on the exterior where the scupper is. When we go to the outside, we'll take a look at that location. A mission tile roof. We're at the front porch area. We're going to look at the signs of water leakage up underneath the roof itself, where the flashing area up above has failed. The roof was installed in 1936. It is the original roof and shows minor repairs at this time. Okay, we're going to go up underneath and look at the defect. Due to the lighting effect here, but we can see some dry rot and minor leakage up in here. We have a better